So guys, you catch me outside again on a very early morning after spending very many nights trying to fix this car. It's just not worked out. It really has not worked out. We've got many problems. I'm going to include this in the midweek trio of why this just could not make it to Himley Hall. I'm not going to throw out excuses, but there's quite a few little niggles on this car. Check midweek video out to catch up. Right, let's go meet Matt. We've got a backup car.
What's happened? Mechanical breakage.
What's happened there, pal? It sounds like an electric car.
You had it on overrun because that fell off. Good start to the morning.
Oh, it's good this.
No!
So, it's very early. You've probably noticed, as you saw at the beginning part of this video, the 72 Mini isn't here. Yeah, that's just not gone to plan. I'll catch up with that on the midweek trio. Matt's here with his Eco Clubman, well, Phoenix Clubman Estate thing, plastic version of our car. With his exhaust just there.
Oops.
Oh, it's not going well, Himley Hall this year. It's really. I had 2 cars there last year. Can barely get one in. Right, we're gonna have to push up the driveway quietly, find something to bodge this together. The Minimine, we need parts because
the wind has stopped going down.
Catch
Still, if anyone wants it.
Yeah, it's actually for sale. We'll fix the exhaust obviously and the window. All right. Lovely little thing. Let's get it fixed. Well, we found the issue, haven't we, Matt?
There's always an issue. There's never not an issue.
Just jacking a car off at 6 in the morning. Oh dear.
You've got to laugh. You've got to laugh. At least it's not raining.
At least it's not raining. It's set to be a lovely day. Our favourite mini suppliers are going to be there with some spare parts. We're going to be fine. It's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. By the way, this is the Mini Phoenix named Greta. We're going to introduce her to the channel in the best way possible.
Broken.
Right, fixed is fixed. It's the best we can do to get there. The cows approve. Let's go, Matt.
Let's go.
We're fixed. Right, so I don't know how much you can hear me and Matt, but we fixed it, ish. There's a big Jubilee clip on that.
Pretending device.
But look at Greta, there's a proper little van carrying things. Hopefully we'll make it to Himley now. And it's not rattling. How is that not rattling?
I've no idea.
I have literally no idea. But
we're doing well. We're doing good.
We're doing good. Greta's doing a nice steady 55-60.
Yeah.
We'll be fine. See you there soon. Yeah, we made it.
We made it.
We're in the queue. A few scrapes on the way in, but we're good. Nothing, what is it? Big Jubilee clip. Nothing a Jubilee clip can't fix.
Yeah, don't worry, nothing else fell off.
No, it's good. This car's for sale, by the way. Well, we made it. We're going to get stuck into the show now. So massive thank you for Matt for bringing Greta the Phoenix.
Yeah, we made it fine. No more issues.
There's just a really nice bronze yellow Jubilee clip holding the exhaust on. It's really nice. We will fix it. It's a kit car, anything goes, isn't it? No, it will fix it. But yeah, we're going to go enjoy the show, so catch you a bit, guys. Check this out, guys.
It's actually
Oh, it's properly sign written as well.
Is it? It is in it, yeah.
The tank's a bit odd, isn't it? I noticed it's got a different tank on it, hasn't it? Oh, it's so nice, this. Can we do the van now, Matt?
Yeah, do it.
We haven't got enough to do. The body over there, Darren's Cooper. Always looking nice. We're going to check that out in a minute. Oh, we'll do the van one day. Really nice, this. This is Ruby. We're following this little car in.
Great little car.
Yeah, stunning. Look at the shine on it.
Yeah, but you want floor.
Sometimes video doesn't do cars justice. That's really clean, isn't it?
Floor, aren't you? Floor scar.
The paint is really, really smooth on it. It's really nice.
So,
There you go. Club and GT next to us here. That's not a bad setup, is it?
that's very shiny.
Yeah, that's a really nice setup. Something about a black car in it, it looks so good.
Yeah.
That is a really clean engine bay. That's maybe the pump that I need to sort my club and issue out, a proper one. Getting ideas, Matt?
Oh yeah, one day.
Look at this beast.
Definitely.
Resto Mod Cooper.
One day.
Phase 2. Let's get it on the road first. This is really nice, isn't it? We're just looking at some really cool touches, like the little bonnet latch, and so clean, this, isn't it? Really nice. The splits on it as well.
Very nice.
Ideas.
I approve.
Nice. So, it's Darren's Mini. A good friend of ours, part of Sun Mini Owners Club. Lovely little car. Does so much mileage in this car, it's mad. It's nice seeing one get used. And an MPI with like some retro touches, it's quite cool. So, I do like these MPI interiors. They're nice seats.
So it should be used.
Yeah, there's some really nice cars here. Now this is cool. Willow green.
Or the retro.
That's some serious work, this thing. Really, really nice. God, they've done the whole Mark 1 thing inside as well, including the switch panel. Yeah, I remember reading about this in the Mini World. It's really nice. Really nice. Just getting more ideas.
Yeah, because on the normally they'd be tied in at the top.
Yeah.
Well, that's not a bad idea, that.
Matt's pondering ideas, everyone.
Yeah. We've got all the ideas we can.
Cool with the bonnet welded to it like that. All one big thing.
Yeah. That's just a one piece as well.
Yeah, well, he's just welded it.
Those gas struts are pretty cool.
Yeah, I like how that sits. Beautiful Clubman estate. What a beauty. a Mini on some cool hubcaps. No, I think Minis oddly look good in gold, don't you? They really can pull it off. Not many cars can, but I think. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. That is a beautiful metallic. Stunning that. Is it Piccadilly? Yeah, it is. I think is it? Yeah. Very cool. Oh, okay, it's got the Cooper S wheels. Yeah. There's a lot of pipes here, Matt.
A lot of pipe work. Yeah. A lot of plumbing in this.
Got boost. That is a packed engine bay.
I like it.
Yeah. Jackman, this has got Jackman's name all over it, hasn't it? Yeah.
So the octane boost brings it back up.
Look at that. There's a lot going on in there. Check them out.
He was showing them on the thing.
I bet you that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, back in back corner, like you got that, the whole car would be sprayed like that.
Yeah.
And that,
there's Max Power vibes going on there.
My era.
Yeah. Yeah, that's quite smart. The roof's quite cool as well. Oh, I do like a new Mini. I do like an early new Mini. Oh, so nice Italian one over there. Or is it the Belgian version? Ooh. Gotta get a shot of this. This is a little Millie. Lovely little thing. Awesome little car. I love the simplicity of the interior. Oh, I love a Mark III Mini. Favourite era. Lovely. And then Matt's looking at this. Look, this is why the channel's so different now. Matt's looking at this and I'm looking at that. Oh, nice.
Finished off now.
Oh yeah. Look at the difference. You're all over this and I'm all over that. Like.
This is happening.
Oh Matt, what are we going to do with you?
Matt, is this the extreme that yours was going?
No.
We were just laughing.
Are you sure?
Not yet, anyway.
We were just laughing because I love a standard Mini. I'm looking at yours, and then Matt's all over this. And it's why the channel is the way it is now, isn't it?
Yeah, you just do so much to him. Yeah.
Oh, I love that little thing. Check this mental thing out. Got a Honda turbo in the back. Look at that. Do you reckon it's noisy inside? Look at that. What a car.
The hoops out to jump, they just keep that happening. It's MOT and taxes them status. Because last
Oh, it's been a long day already, hasn't it, Matt?
It's been a lovely day.
A lot of interest in the Phoenix, which is nice. Yeah. Got a new Mini revving behind us, as you do. And yeah, a lot of inspiration for yours, I think.
A lot, yeah.
A lot. So thanks to British Mini Club again for an epic event. I will try and bring one of my own cars as well next year, promise. And yeah, it's been really good. We've got lots of inspiration. Not bought any parts because Matt's about to spend a lot of money next week, so that's that sorted. But I do think, I don't know, there's a lot going on at the moment. There's a lot of mini content coming, guys. Matt's is going to push fast. We've got a plan for the 89, James's mini when the panels arrive. There's loads going on, and it's going to be a very busy month, isn't it? It's going to be very busy. Yeah. So thanks for everyone that's come up and said hi, bought stickers and hats and everything like that. It's awesome. Merch is coming. Our website is now up and running. Just need to sort a few bits and pieces out on it, but it's up and it's live. And we've got t-shirt designs coming and mugs and stuff like that. So yeah, go check out our sponsors. If you haven't been to Himley Hill, we're right next to Minimine. They're our big sponsor for the channel, and there's a link in the description below, and there's a discount code on the screen now for 10% off when you spend £15 or more on their eBay store. We're both going to have to spend a lot soon on that. And yeah, and obviously Frost, go and check them out for your consumables and tools and bits and bobs like that. Again, there's a discount code for them. We're going to go enjoy the rest of this day. I hope you're working in the garage if you're not at the show, and we'll catch you soon.